All right, number 28. Two different points on the number line are both 3 units from the point with coordinate -4. The solution to which of the following equation gives a coordinate of both points? Okay, so first they said we have 2 points and it's on the number line and 3 units away from -4. So what we can do is we can actually draw a number line and we can try to figure out what are the 2 points, right? So we have, let's just say if this is -4 on the number line. So here this is like 0 maybe. Right, so we go 0, -1, -3, -2, oh, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, right, so on and so forth. So let's just quickly mark this, right? So be -5, -6, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay. So here is -4, and then the two numbers are 3 units away from the middle. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 away. So we should have a number at -1, right? That's 3 away from -4. And then we can also go the other way. It should be at -7 for the other number. Okay, so here the two number that we're talking about is actually -1 and -7. All right, and the question says which equation, the solution for which equation will also be these two numbers, pretty much. Okay, so we're looking at the answer to it. All these are absolute value equation, and we want to know which equation give us these two solution. Had to be -1, -7. We could solve each equation algebraically. If we're solving absolute value equation, you have to split it up into two separate equations. So for example, we have absolute value x plus 4 equals 3. You want to say it's x plus 4 equals positive 3. And then we have a negative version, right? So it'll be x plus 4 equal to -3. And then we can solve each equation individually. Or another approach is, since we know the solution had to be -1, -7, that's what we're looking for, we could just plug them into the answer choices, plug it in for x and see which one works. And that's another way to do it. So let's just go and plug it in then. Okay, so if you plug in a, so this is absolute value of x plus 4 equal to 3. So you plug in -1 for x, this will be absolute value -1 plus 4. Okay, let's just say, will that equal to 3 then? Well, -1 plus 4, we had to solve the inside first. -1 plus 4 is 3, and then absolute value of 3. So absolute value makes everything positive, right? Or it could be 0 or positive, but it won't be negative, right? So it's already positive, it'll stay positive. Right? So it'll be 3 equal to 3, so that works. Then the second number, we had to try out, we plug in -7, right? Same equation, that's why x plus 4 equals 3, we plug in -7. Will that equal to 3? Well, this will be inside the absolute value will be -3 now. But then we have absolute value makes a -3 a positive 3, right? So we do get 3 equal to 3. So that also works. Right? So and it happened to be letter A then, right? It worked for both numbers, so that should be the answer. Okay, if you try the other ones, right, some of them work for one of the number but not the other. Okay, some of them doesn't work at all. So yeah, it had to be letter A. It worked for both solutions. So that's it for number 28.